Where is your village located? My village is located near the river. How big is your village? My village has around 500 households. What is the name of your village? My village is called Green Valley. What are the main crops grown in your village? We mainly grow rice, wheat, and vegetables. How many schools are there in your village? There are 2 schools in my village. What is the nearest city to your village? The nearest city is 20 kilometers away. Do you have any hospitals in your village? Yes, we have a small hospital with basic facilities. What are the popular festivals celebrated in your village? We celebrate Diwali, Holi, and Eid. How do people commute in your village? People walk, cycle, or use autos. What is the main occupation of villagers? Most villagers are farmers or fishermen. Are there any historical landmarks in your village? Yes, we have an ancient temple. How is the weather in your village? The weather is usually warm and sunny. Do you have any community centers? Yes, we have a community hall. What kind of sports do people play? People play cricket, football, and volleyball. Are there any libraries? Yes, we have a small library. How many shops are there? There are around 20 shops. What kind of food do people eat? People mainly eat traditional and local cuisine. Are there any parks or gardens? Yes, we have a small park. How is the education system? Education is compulsory until high school. Are there any cultural events? Yes, we have cultural programs during festivals. Can you describe your village's scenery? My village is surrounded by green fields and hills. Are there any water sources? We have a river and a pond. What is the village's population? The population is around 2,000. How do people access healthcare? We have a hospital and private clinics. What makes your village special? My village is special because of its natural beauty.